What the fuck? Where am I? This place is huge. Oh, fool. I think I shrank. I'm blasted. It must have been all that tea and popcorn and jelly beans and... Man, it's dark. I'm blessed. What's that noise? A candle. Good. Now I'll be able to see him coming. There it is again. No blast. I think it's coming from up there. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Looks like just a bit of climbing. Oh, goodbye, sweet lantern. See you later. Oh, my back. Don't worry, I'm going this time for real. Where am I anyways? Oh, back. The pain. The big pain. I made it so far. You okay? He looks fine. Hello? Shh! What are you doing back there? Hello? Hello? Talking to me? What the fuck? Arms? Arms? What do you mean, arms? What was that thing? Who are you? That's his name. How do I get out of this place? Come on, tell me. Hey.
You won't make a pop out of me, do-da. You won't make a pop out of me, all the do-da day.
That is the biggest toilet I've ever seen in my whole life. Maybe it's an optical delusion.
You won't eat me like a pizza, do-da. You won't eat me like a pizza, oh, do-da.
He stopped. Hello? Who was singing? Maybe he's up there. Do it. Let's. Come on. Yeah. Too bro. How is this thing so tall? Hello?
You won't eat me like mac and cheese, do-da. You won't eat me like mac and cheese, oh, do-da day. I'm not a watermelon, do-da. I'm not a watermelon, oh, do-da.
He's in there.
Who are you?
Wait, who are you?
I'm a gnome.
A gnome?
Yeah, that's gnome actually.
Good gnome.
Spelled and then gnome.
Why you sit under the sink?
This is my secret sanctum sink. I call it the Triple S hideout.
So wait, this SSS, are you hiding from the long-arm man?
So I'm just gonna high five Shamus.
The fat one?
No, not the fat ones, the demon.
You said gnome earlier. Now you're like a gnome.
That's right, it's a gnome. Let's go.
Tell me about...
Face of Shamus. He's a demon.
What else do you want to know?
That's it? That's it?
No.
What?
I don't trust you, though. I have to ask you questions like...
Why wouldn't you trust me?
Do I look like a hot dog to you? Be honest.
No.
Good.
It's crazy.
The studio. More minions and enemies.
What's up with that, huh?
You're new,
Where
aren't
are
you?
we? Yeah.
What do you mean, where are we?
We're inside the studio.
The house?
No, the studio. This is the place where Shamus built this place with them, but I used to enjoy Joe Studios.
Look, strange fellow.
What?
Why were you singing about being eaten? Huh?
Why you think I was thinking about being eaten? Because we get eaten.
What?
Yeah. They love gnomes. We're quite a delicacy. Why, we're so delicious. I think I could eat myself. Not that
That's
I would.
crazy.
I wouldn't eat myself, don't worry. But that's why we live alone. Because when we group together...
The demon.
Okay, well, Mrs. S. Oh, man.
Oh, dear. You better not have to go to the bathroom. That toilet paper's mine.
No, I'm getting
Mine.
hungry.
Oh.
Oh, I feel like I hadn't eaten in a week.
There's,
What's up with that?
there's plenty of food in the kitchen.
Oh, food? What type? Do they have sausage?
I've never been to the kitchen,
What?
but apparently it's the holy grail of the whole place,
Oh, I
full
need
of
some
food,
food.
and food and food, which means...
The reader is there.
But it's where the food is, so if you want to go on a journey to get food, the kitchen's where to go.
I want some food. That's it. I'm off to the kitchen.
You know,
Bye.
you can eat toilet paper, you know that, right?
No, you can't.
Yeah, it's very good. It's very,
So-
nutritional, I think. I wish you would have stayed for toilet paper. I don't have many friends anymore. It's the sniff of the long-armed man. It's
Stupid. What was that?
That was the long-armed man.
How did he not see us?
Because he's blind.
Oh, he's stupid. I mean, he's blind.
He's blind.
Good, then we can get out of here.
He smells really well. What? And he hears. What's the toilet paper?
That's a pizza.
Oh, did you see that? He almost ate us.
No. He didn't almost eat us. He's not one of the fat ones. He almost wiped us.
Oh, wait, let's go to the kitchen now. You come with me. You come with me this time.
That's like not dodging a bullet. That's like dodging a train. My goodness, I almost died.
What's up with your face?
Oh, my gnome head. Give
You
it
look
back.
like me. What's up with that?
Give it back.
All right, we need to go to the kitchen now.
Yeah.
I'm starving.
Wait a minute, but was that enough toilet paper for Taco Tuesday?
What? Oh, he almost grabbed me. Hey, what's
Taco
tacos?
Tuesday. It's worse than I thought.
Come on.
To me, to give you something that rhymes with diarrhea.
Do I want the food?
Yeah.
Do
No one got it. Don't worry, yellow man. I'll give him as much toilet paper as he can handle.
So yeah, we got the pieces we got.
This man says we use a 24-pack of Charmin. I don't know how the pipes are handling all this.
I hope he's done, because I don't think he'll have a butt left to wipe.
To the kitchen. What?
To the kitchen! lame old Jerry Wilkes or whatever his name is. Long arm Jerry. He's gone.
Must be gone.
The kitchen is this way. We just have to. Oh, gotta be quiet. Jack.
What's doing?
Just seeing this.
Take it off then.
No, it's my pride in Gnomehood.
No more whatever. Which way?
This way, the kitchen's right around that great crack of the chair. Come on, the food is up there. They might have Pop-Tarts or beanie. Let me down! Hey, got me help!
I can throw that.
Oh, man. I think you killed him. Oh.
Wow. Okie dokie.
Get up and dig. Right behind us. Hide. You won't eat me like a sandwich.
Just take one. Did he leave?
Oh, man,
Are you
I
okay?
almost died.
Goodness, I almost died too.
So we already got the pizzas. There's the first one.
Spam!
No, not spam.
Oh
Man,
no.
you're
I
picky.
think I'll just take this icing.
No, it's not
This is
icing.
better. This is better.
Also, we have the third one.
Funyuns!
No, it's not Funyuns.
You know, we gotta be near the exit. They brought this food in from somewhere. Could be right out here for all we know.
Oh, they hit the spot. Oh, now I don't have thoughts of cannibalism anymore.
Give me thoughts of
No,
cannibalism.
no, this is fine. Excuse me. Pardon.
Let's just go out here.
What's that?
Check it out. Peek around the corner. You do it.
I need 2 salmon, 3 salad composé, and 3 filets. Byron, 2 orders, seared salmon.
Man in the kitchen.
It's Squidhead who gave us food. Yeah. Let's do it. I think we're gonna get to salmon. I think he's captured for one after 2
Hello,
hours.
Justina. Fire knife
So
now.
we're gonna stop him again. Again? So we have to get to that door. Shamus. Hi guys. Sorry, I can't believe that happened. So we get it. So it's fine. It's really fine, man. I know you need me.
This is really, really
I am
fun.
really fine. But it's the only thing that
Not
I was
that.
born on October 31st,
Okay.
2007.
This is
And
really,
if I know that I was
really
created
weird
by
now.
the Swingers
We have been
because
supposed to
Shonabana
leave
was
this
born
place.
on December
We're gonna leave this place.
17th. Are we gonna go now? Yeah, but it's not over. You have to stop him too!
The point is, they're bad people who done bad things, so we will fight them. Will you turn your axes around? Sorry. Oh, get a boss!
I got him, son!
I got him. I completely got him. He got him. What is this?
It's a berserker, sir.
You're not the one, because we have to stop him. Because Basic Shaman just came out to us to catch us all. Yeah, we have to stop him. We have to stop him. Oh yeah, that's not it. Stop!
Who does he think he is? Wearing a crown? I'm the king! I'm the king! You hear me?
That's what he just said. Okay? Yeah.
Don't sound so unsure. Now we're gonna go crush that pink boy and his pink arm. Wait! My arrow!
Okay, it's time to end. Whoa!
Whoa, this is a slippery break. Whoa.
Oh no, I got to cover! Oh my gosh. I think I got away from the gas.
Yeah, man, save me.
I saved you, sir.
You did this again?
What do you mean, two? Yes, we can't lose the second time. You win! Go rush those archers over there!
But sir, they're dangerous.
Just go out there! Did we get away? We're free.
The light's good in here. I think we're safe.
What? Spring?
Yay! Part 2's finally here.
Hey guys, thanks for watching chapter 2. So be sure to hit the like button. So check out my channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications.
This
Like
episode
that,
on Instagram.
and more
Be
stuff
sure
like
to check
that.
us out at
So yeah, we see you in chapter 3. Be sure to click on bye.
Bye,
Bye.
everybody. Bye.